from 415s and a fourth blowthrough
Yep.
to 212 custom American bass with sundown X3 cones.
Okay.
2.45 to 1:6. Lower chambers tuned to 22. Larger chambers tuned to 52.
Wow. So what made you do where you wouldn't be able to see the subs in front of you? They load off the side of the wall. Just something different or more space? Or
Access.
Access? Okay.
Yeah, it's easier for me. I have an access panel on the top of the box under the top.
Yes, sir. And you closed off the port a little bit?
Yeah.
So you're tuned lower too?
Yeah, well, it gets a little, I wanted something that could be windy with less.
Yeah.
So.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
The motors on the, so I have the American Bass XFL version 1 sub, so they're the 220-ounce motors.
Okay.
And they're the V2 baskets, so the way the size-wise are, I didn't have enough room to make sub forward for it.
Got it. Make it work with what you got.
Right?
Very nice. And this is at 1 ohm?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm clamping 3262 total.
There, that's sufficient.
Alright.
Yeah, man, good job.
Hey, can we get a picture?
Yeah, 1 second. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I do daily car audio videos. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Be sure to hit the like button if you like it so far, as well as comment what you like about a system. Pretty impressed to see how big of a ratio this 6th order box is, and it's only 2 12s in here. He could have easily have fit 3 12s or 2 15s, but he made it work with 2 12s in an efficient box. Only all on 3,000 watts. This small little amplifier. Pretty impressive to see how much technology's improved, clamping over 3,000 watts if he had it wired down as well. And I'm pretty sure this amplifier is rated anywhere from half ohm to 2 ohm at 3K, so really efficient. And he had a really good, I could hear the lyrics of the music during the demo, so that 4-channel Topano is actually getting the job done for his door speakers, as you saw. And this is a blow-through, 2 12-inch subs, and a truck blow-through 6th order. If you notice the way he has everything kind of built into the back cabin behind the truck of his S10 extended cab. So unique style system and a lot of work involved. You can see that rear port there. It's kind of hard to see on the camera, but during the flex, you're going to see it. There is a back ported enclosure, making this a 6th order with 2 tunings, he told us earlier, with a big like 2+ ratio. So every cube in that ported back chamber is over 2 cubes in the front chamber. So total 3,000 watts on 2 12s. We're getting to a 5-minute bass demo now. Welcome to my channel, JacobViral. I do daily car audio videos every day. Hope you enjoy them with the like button if you haven't already. Subscribe for daily videos with the notification bell on, and enjoy the video. Very nice.
designed it, the motors on the SkyHigh, they're American base XFL version 1 sub, so they're the 220-ounce motors.
Oh, okay.
And they're the V2 baskets, so the way the size-wise are, I didn't have enough room to make sub forward.
Got it. Make it work with what you got.
Right?
Very nice. And this is at 1 ohm?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm clamping 32 to 62 tall.
There, that's sufficient.
Smart.
Yeah, man, good job. Hey, thanks for the demo. Good to see you again. Stay cool out here.
Oh, yeah.